how to split payment on the Walmart app. First, you have to add items to your cart, so just load up the Walmart app and browse for items you wish to purchase. Once you have selected all items, proceed to your shopping cart. Here, once you review your cart, then click on checkout. You will have to select a payment method. So at the payment step, you'll need to decide how to split your payment. For credit or debit cards and gift card split, you will add a gift card if you want to use one. If you're using a Walmart gift card, you want to select add a Walmart gift card on the payment screen. Then enter the gift card number and PIN and apply the gift card amount to your total. This will partially cover the cost. Then you will add a credit or debit card. After applying the gift card, the remaining balance will be shown. Choose to pay the rest with a credit or debit card and select add a new card if the card isn't already saved in your account. Complete the purchase, the app will charge the gift card first and the remaining balance will be charged to your credit or debit card. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.